Okay, today we are going to study about the practice problem 4 from the chapter 7 sound. So the fourth problem states that a man stands in between two cliffs X and Y. So a man who is standing in between, sorry, a man who is standing in between two cliffs X and Y. So firstly he blows a whistle such that he is at a distance of 66 meter from the X. So you can see the distance in between the man and the X is cliff X is 66 meter. Then when he blows a whistle, he hears the first echo after 0.4 second and second one after 1.2 second. Then calculate the speed of sound. We have to find out the speed of sound. For that, first thing we have the time and this one what it is called distance. So you just write the equation. We know the equation d is equal to v into t by 2. From here we will get v is equal to 2d by t. Then what is distance? Yeah, distance is 2 into 66 divided by what is the time? 0.4. Then while we are calculating, we will get the answer as 330 meter per second. Clear? So in this way we can find out the distance. Then second one is we have to find out the distance of cliff Y from the man. We have to find out this distance. So in here we have the time and we have the distance, we have the speed of sound. Speed of sound we have and the time we have, and we have to find out the distance. So use the equation d is equal to v into t by 2. Then what is v? 330 into 1.2 divided by 2. Then what we will get? We will get 198 meter. I hope you understood this problem. Okay, then next problem, practice problem 5. A man who is standing in front of a cliff. A man who is standing in front of a cliff and fires a gun. He hears an echo after 4 seconds. So a man who is this is the man and cliff, and when he fires a gun, he hears the echo after 0.4 second. He hears the echo after 0.4 second. Then on moving closer to the cliff by 41.25, then he just moved little more front. Then now firstly he was here, and secondly now he moves little more close to the cliff. That means he traveled 41.25 meter. Then he hears the echo after 3 point. He hears the sound after 3.75 second. Sorry, there was a mistake in here. It is not 0.4 second, it is 4 second. Okay, so after he moves 41.25 meter close to the cliff, he hears the echo after 3.75 second. Then firstly we have to find out the speed of sound, and the second one distance of the man from the cliff to the initial position. That means we have to find out this distance. Then for find out that, just take this one as, that means the man's initial position and the cliff as x. The x means the distance in between the man and the cliff. Then what would be the this one? This distance means the distance in between the final position and the cliff. Yeah, it would be x minus 41.25. I hope you understood this much. Okay, then let's go to the next portion, speed of this diagram. You just draw it on your copy, then you just comes to the problem part. Okay, so for how can we find out the distance? First one, we have to find out the velocity. So what is the equation of the velocity? Yeah, velocity means we know that, velocity means we know that 2d by, velocity is equal to 2d by t. Then first one, first one means the distance in between the initial position and the cliff. That case, if you are taking the velocity, then 2 into what is the distance, x, and what is the time, 4. Then we will get v is equal to x by 2. Just keep it here. And the second case means the distance in between the final position and the cliff. Then also we have to use the same equation, v is equal to 2d by 2d by t. Then 2 into what is the distance, x minus 41.25 divided by what is the time, 3.75. Then we will get 2x minus 82.5 divided by 3.75. So now we have these two data, x by v is equal to x by 2 and v is equal to 2x minus 82.5 by 3.75. Then if you equalize these two, then we will get x by 2 is equal to 2x minus 82.5 divided by 3.75. Then if you cross multiply, then we will get 3.75x is equal to 4x minus 165. We will get 165, means 2 into 82.5, we will get 165. Then if you take, then we will get 0.25x is equal to 165. Then x is equal to 165 divided by 0.25, then we will get 660 meter as the answer. So we got the answer as 660 meter. That means what is 660? The distance, x means the distance in between the initial position and the cliff. So we got the second part answer, B. Okay, distance of the man from the cliff to his initial position. B is the answer for the B is 660 meter. Then we have to find out the speed of sound, first one. So speed of sound, how can we find out? Yeah, now we have the data. First one, we know the x. So we here we have the equation v is equal to x by 2. We already find out. Then here what is the x? 660 divided by 2. Then we will get v is equal to 330 meter per second. This is the answer. I hope you understand. So you have